Hi fellows, I'm about to teach you how to use be about to. In this video we want to talk about future, not any future, near future. We want to talk about the things that we want to do in near future very soon, maybe moments later or some minutes later, very soon in the future, or things that are going to happen very soon. And we have 4 structures to talk about that. And you are on the verge of learning a perfect grammar. On the verge of learning a very perfect grammar that advances your English. So let's get down to it. Video roadmap. In this video we want to learn these 4 structures. Be about to infinitive. I'm about to teach you a new grammar. Be on the verge of. We are on the verge of a great success. Be on the brink of. This country is on the verge of a war, a great war. On the point of, or at the point of. You are on the point of subscribing to my channel before moving forward to the next slide. The first structure, be about to infinitive. This is the most common structure that is used to talk about near future. Be about to infinitive refers to something that is going to happen very soon in the future, that will happen very soon in the future. Example, I'm about to lock the door. Imagine a family is going on a picnic and the mother of the family is locking the door, is going to lock the door. Everyone has packed their cakes and the mother is waiting outside for the kids to come out. The mother shouts, "Come out quickly! I'm about to lock the door." It's a kind of conversational situation. The mother is about to lock the door. It means she will lock the door very soon, very quickly. So the kids need to come out now. Next example. I was about to be stung by the wasps. Yes, I was playing in the park and I didn't see the beehives. Beehives, the house of bees. I was playing there. I didn't see the hive very close to me. And I was about to hit the beehive and getting stung by the wasps. Wasp means bee and stung is a past participle of sting. I was very close to be stung by the wasps in the near future. You want more examples? Yes, I'm on it. The demise of her wealthy father is about to make her rich. Demise means a person's death. Some daughter's father has passed away, has been dead, and that person, that father, was very wealthy, and this wealth is about to be transferred, is going to be transferred into some girl's account. So the demise of her wealthy father is about to make her rich in the near future. The demise of her wealthy father is our noun phrase functioning as a subject. Be about to infinitive, to make her rich. Her is the object to make, and rich works function as a complement. All the 3 other structures are just the same. They're no different. They just come with a different word rather than about. Be on the verge of. If you are on the verge of something, you are very close to experience it. You are very close to experiencing it. Be on the verge of is the synonym of almost, the synonym of nearly. We were on the verge of tears as we watched the romantic movie. Oh, the movie was so romantic that we almost cried. We were on the verge of tears. Our tears were very close to be shed. The economy is on the verge of a collapse due to the decline in stock prices. Stock prices are declining and the economy is about to experience, it's very close to experience a collapse. So, on the verge of means it is very close to experience. We were very close to experience crying. The economy was very close to experience, is very close to experience a collapse. Yes, I know you need more examples. I have more examples for you. We are on the verge of laying off the whole department. Lay off means send employees home. A manager tells their employees that we don't need you anymore. For example, there's no job, there's no work for you anymore. Or there's a shortage of money, we cannot pay for your salaries, so go home. It's a very bad news. It's a very bad thing. We are on the verge of laying off the whole department. So it means we are going to experience, we are close to this experience to laying off the whole department. This country is on the verge of famine, shortage of food, famine, shortage of food, as the drought, shortage of water, low rainfall and shortage of water. If drought happens, farms cannot produce food. This country is on the verge of, it means it's very close to experience famine as the drought continues. Well, enough examples. Good. Next structure. 3. Be on the brink of. Be on the brink of. We use on the brink of when we have a great change, where a new or different situation is about to begin. We have a new situation, we have a great thing, a different thing. On the brink of refer to something very important, very exciting or very bad. So we use on the brink of for these kind of things that are very important, very exciting or very bad. The Middle East seems to be on the brink of a disastrous war. Which is it? War. Important, exciting, very bad. Definitely very bad. It's a great change. There's a war. There's a war. We are close to a war. We are close to experience a war in Middle East, and it's a great change, and it's very bad. So we don't say the Middle East is about to face a war. It doesn't suggest that disastrous message. Next, my YouTube channel is on the brink of a major growth. It's a great change, a major growth. And which is it? Important, exciting, very bad. I'm very excited that my YouTube channel is on the brink of a major growth. I never say, my YouTube channel is about to grow. No, my intonation is going to bore the audience. I don't want to bore the audience. I want to excite the audience with this message. I want my message to be exciting. So I say, my YouTube channel is on the brink of a major growth. Scientists are on the brink of a major discovery. They're on the brink of a cutting-edge discovery. I don't say, scientists are about to discover. There's no element of excitement or importance in that. So we use on the brink of for something important, something exciting, or something very bad. We also can say to the brink of something. Take to the brink of something or come to the brink of something. Attention. The huge debts took the company to the brink of collapse. The huge debts, subject, took, verb, the company, object. Something, take something to the brink of something means very close to. The huge debts took the company very close to collapse, near to collapse. It still hasn't happened. Now with come, the company came to the brink of collapse. The company now is subject. Here, the company is object. Here, the company is subject. The company came to the brink of collapse. Now it's very close to collapse. It's going to happen any minute now, any time now, any day now. Hasn't happened yet, but it's going to happen soon, in the near future. Another example. Cancer has taken the author to the brink of death, very close to death. Cancer is my subject. Subject has taken is my verb, and the author is my object. Subject, verb, object. Cancer has taken the author to where? To the brink of death. To the brink of means very close to, very near to death. He might not be able to finish his last book. Let's retell it with the verb come. The author has come to the brink of his death, or to brink of death. Both of them are correct. The author has come. Now the author is subject, and there is no object. Has come is my verb. So these are two other forms of using to the brink. One other structure. Be on or at the point of. I looked for my sunglasses in my bag, but I couldn't find it. I thought I might have misplaced it somewhere at home. I was on the point of returning, at the time of returning home to pick it up when I realized I had been wearing it the whole time. I had my sunglasses on my eyes the whole time. I had already put them on. So I looked everywhere. I looked my bag. I couldn't find it. I said maybe I have mislaid it or misplaced it at home. I was at the point of. I was at the point of returning. Suddenly I realized it's on my face. So at the time of something, at the moment of something before. At the moment of something before. More examples? Before. Pay attention to before. My girlfriend was at a point of accepting my offer, but at the point of, at the moment of, accepting my offer to eat out when, before, her phone rang and she was notified that her father had been sick and she needed to pay him a visit, so she didn't accept my offer. She was at a point of accepting my offer. She was very close to accept my offer. But the phone rang and the rest happened. She was very close until she was very close before something was going to happen until a more conversational example. Last night you were on the point of saying something, but then you changed your mind. What did you want to say? You were on the point of saying something. You were very close to say something. But before you changed your mind, what did you want to say? Let's do a recap. For conversational things, you use be about to. I'm about to lock the door, guys. Come out. Kids, come out quickly. More conversational. A little more formal. This country is on the verge of famine. With the same meaning, but a little more formal. This country is very close to famine. It's going to happen in the near future. Now, more important, a great change. The Middle East is on the brink of war for something that is exciting, important, or very bad. And the last one, she was at the point of accepting my offer before or when her phone rang. It means at the time, just before. This was it. And I know that you will subscribe to my channel if I tell you that I'm going to record more videos about this grammar. Thank you for watching. I'm at a point of saying goodbye to you before signing off. So long.